guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have for you an ULTA haul. Yeah girl. I am so excited to dive into this box. It's been here for a few days and I've just been itching to get at it. I've been a good girl. I just opened it right before I turned on the camera, so I'm excited to get into it. So before we get started, remember to give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe and click the notification so that you are notified every time that I upload a video. You know, this YouTube world's kind of crazy right now. So please do that if you want to see more of this. So if you want to see what I got at ULTA, then just keep on watching. Okay, I actually have in here a couple of things I bought from Macys.com and then one thing that I bought from Sephora, but everything else you'll see is from ULTA. So why don't we just go ahead and get the Macys and Sephora out of the way, since this is primarily an ULTA haul. The first thing I got from Sephora I am so excited about because I've had this on my loves list for a while now, and you know, Sephora has started this thing where like every week they put new things on sale. Like it'll just be a select few that last for just a week, and I forget when it was. They put the Park Ave Princess contour palette on sale for $23. Girl, I saw that and I clicked add to cart and bye. Can we just appreciate this packaging? Oh my gosh, it's like one of the prettiest palettes that I think I own. Oh, it's gorgeous. And then the inside, yes, I cannot wait to play with this. Contour isn't something that I typically venture out on and do, but I can always use this for bronzing and then highlighting. Oh yes, I cannot wait. So yeah. So that was the only thing that came from Sephora. The next three items did come from Macys.com. The first item is a 3-pack of beauty blenders. And I saw this and these are my 3 favorites. I got these. These were for $49 for all 3 of these. So you're saving $11 because each beauty blender is $20 each. So when I saw that and it was all 3 of my favorites, I was like, so the next product is what everyone's talking about right now, and it's the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. And I got the shade Vanilla. Oh yeah, that'll work. That'll work really good. I was a fan of this concealer before, like when it was in the small packaging or the skinnier packaging, but yeah, I think this is gonna work real nice. So the final product from Macys is the Benefit Hello Happy Foundation. Oh my God. Y'all, look at it. It is so tiny. So tiny. But it's so cute. God. I'm in the shade 2. Well, I hope I'm in the shade 2. I don't really know. Wow. Okay, y'all. When you shake it, it like just starts pouring out the top. Word to the wise, don't do that. Okay. This shade might be a little too light or too yellow for me. I don't know. We'll see how it goes onto the skin, and then, I mean, that's what bronzer's for. You can always darken it up. Okay, now onto Ulta. The first thing that I have is just a repurchase of my favorite dry shampoo, which is Batiste. They had it on buy one get one 50% off. And this is my favorite. It's the Sassy and Daring Wild. Okay, when I first tried Batiste, I got this one because it was leopard print, and I'm a sucker for leopard print. But I have tried the other formulas or scents, whatever. This one's my favorite. So I just got 2 of these because I never like to be without them. And then I finally decided to get the Morphe setting spray. Y'all, I've had this in and out of my cart multiple times on Ulta, on Morphe.com. I just never wanted to pull the trigger. Well, your girl pulled the trigger. So, let's see. Oh. Oh my. This is amazing. This mister is everything that people have said it is. Okay. Why did I wait so long? Okay, let's see, what else do I have in here? Oh, I also got the Morphe Flawless Beauty Sponge. This is another one that I've been, just haven't pulled the trigger. Okay, what else did I get in here? Let's see. Y'all see, really, I have not opened any of this. Oh, okay. I got the Essence Brighten Up Banana Powder for underneath the eyes. Y'all, this pan is way bigger than what I thought it was going to be, which is amazing. I mean, Essence is already an affordable makeup line, but this is huge. So, yeah, that's exciting. I mean, I can't, y'all girl, I can't wait to play with this. The next thing I got, is also from Essence, and it's one of their metal chrome blushes. I'm a fan of their other blushes, so when I saw this, I was like, yes. This is more of a, probably, it's hard to see. There you go. This might be more of a topper. I don't know. We'll have to play with it and see. But it's gorgeous. This would be gorgeous on the eyes. Yes. All right. I am excited about that. And again, I mean, these things are so cheap, but they're so good. The next item I got is the Milani Gilded Desires palette. Let's open this baby up. Oh, this is so beautiful. right up my alley. Swatching this gold shade. Oh my gosh. Y'all. Look at that. Oh, it's hard to tell, but oh my gosh. Ooh, and that matte right there, that is good. I just hope it performs as well on the eye. But yeah, I'm excited to play with this. Who am I kidding? I'm excited to play with all of this. Next, I got from Makeup Revolution this Soph X eyeshadow palette. I watched Casey Holmes and she really likes it, and I have her highlighter palette that I've been enjoying recently, so let's see what this baby has to offer. Oh yes, oh yes, y'all. Y'all, oh my god, it's so pretty. Green is everything. Look at that. Look at that shiz. It's beautiful. Try this purple. Oh. Look at that purple. Look at it. Look at it. Oh, I, again, cannot wait to try this out. Okay. This next item was the real reason for the Ulta purchase. Is none other than the Norvina palette from Anastasia. Look at it. Actually, these are pretty good brushes. Celestial, Rose Gold, Wild Child. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at it. Look. Look. Oh yes. Yes, 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 yes. Give it to me all day long. Oh my god. This is a Soul color. It's a matte. Yes. Right there. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. I have been waiting. The minute I saw this was coming out, I knew I had to have it, and I waited patiently. I ended up not buying it obviously from the Anastasia website, because that's where it was first available. I waited, and the morning it was released on ULTA.com, it was in my cart to come to me. So I've said this about the other two palettes, but I really cannot wait to play with this. I love purples. I love purple in general. It's one of my favorite colors, so yeah, stay tuned for that. And then, all right guys, we're almost done. The next thing I got is a Urban Decay lipstick. It's in the shade Guppy, and it's one of their metallicized ones. Let's see. I've heard that it's a really good lipstick to put on as a base and then top it with something else. There it is, right there. And then that's what it looks like in the tube. So yeah, can't wait to play with it, and I hope it meets all of my expectations. Okay, y'all. The final two products that I have are two brushes from It Cosmetics, and it's the It Cosmetics brushes that are exclusively for Ulta. So one of them is a powder brush, and the other is a foundation. I love It Cosmetics brushes. They're just so soft. I don't know what they do, but okay, this is the number 108 Airbrush Powder Wand. Yes. You can never have enough powder brushes. Yes. So soft. Yeah, I can't wait to try this out. That line has been the theme of this video. I'm sorry, but I can't wait. I can't help it. And then the last one, this is another thing I've been wanting for a long time. This is the Airbrush Full Coverage Complexion Brush, number 77. Y'all, look. Look how it's shaped. That's why I wanted it. But it's white. Kind of a pearly white. It's so pretty. Yes, oh, and so soft. Can't wait. Yes. It Cosmetics just kills it with the brushes they do. Again, I don't know what it is, but it's amazing. So yeah, that is everything that I got from Ulta, and then, you know, Sephora and Macys. I hope you enjoyed seeing what all that I got. You will definitely be seeing a lot of these products in upcoming tutorials, especially these palettes, and especially as we're transitioning into the fall time. Please comment below if you want to see anything from me or any looks you might like to see. And again, please remember to give this video a thumbs up. Please do that for me, and subscribe, and click the notifications. All my socials will be listed down below. I'll also have all these products listed down below. And yeah, I hope you have a good one, and until next time, I will see you later. Bye.